Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of Python program. Our first question is, which of the following is the truncation division operator in Python? Given options are option A vertical bar, option B double forward slash, option C single forward slash, option D percentage symbol. Your correct answer is option B. See the explanation. Double forward slash is the operator for truncation division. It is called so because it returns only the integer part of the quotient, truncating the decimal part. For example, when you will divide 20 by 3, it will return 6 only. Next question. Which of the following is the use of id function in Python? Given options are every object does not have a unique ID. B. ID returns the identity of the object. C. All of the mentioned. D. None of the mentioned. The correct answer is option B. ID returns the identity of the object. Next question. What will be the output of the following Python function? Min function in parameter, max function in parameter, false -3 -4, parenthesis close, then comma 2 comma 7. Given options are A -4, B -3, C 2, D false. Your correct answer is option D false. See the explanation how? The max function is being used to find the maximum value from among -3, -4 and false. Since false amount to the value 0, hence we are left with the minimum function 0, 2, 7. Hence the output will be 0. So your correct option is option D false. Next question. The following Python program can work with dash parameters: def fx, def f1, star args, comma double star kw args, print EC Computer Institute India, return x, star args, comma double star kw args, return f1. Here given options are option A any number of, option B 0, option C 1, option D 2. Your correct answer is option A any number. So how? The code shown above shows a general decorator which can work with any number of arguments. Next question. Which of the following is not a core data type in Python programming? Given options are A tuples, B list, C class, D dictionary. Here correct answer is option C. Class is a user defined data type. Next question. What will be the output of the following Python function? Len in parameters hello, 2, 4 and 6. Here given options are option A error, option B 6, option C 4, option D 3. So our correct answer is option C 4. So the explanation how? The function len returns the length of the number of elements in the iterable. So the output of the function shown above is 4. Next question. What will be the output of the following Python expression? If x equals 56.236, print percentage 0.2f percentage x. Here given options are option A 56.236, option B 56.23, option D 56.000, option D 56.24. Here correct answer is option B 56.24. How? See the explanation. The expression shown above rounds off the given number to the number of the decimal places specified. What specified? 0.2f. Since the expression given specifies rounding off to two decimal places, the output of the expression will be 56.24 because of after decimal point 236. So it returns 56.24. Next question. What will be the output of the following Python code? X equal ABCD for I in X, print I dot upper function. Given options are capital A, capital B, capital C, small d. Option B, capital A, B, small b, small c, small d. Capital C, all small ABCD. Capital D, all capital ABCD. Here correct answer is option D, all capital ABCD because of the upper function. The instance of the string returned by upper function is being printed. Next question. Which of these is the definition for packages in Python? Given options are A, set of main modules, B, a folder of Python modules, C, a number of files containing Python definition and statements, D, a set of programs making use of Python modules. Your correct answer is option B. A folder of Python programs is called as a package of modules. Next question. What is the order of namespaces in which Python looks for an identifier? Given options are option A, Python first searches the built-in namespace, then the global namespace, and finally the local namespace. Option B, Python first searches the built-in namespace, then the local namespace, and finally the global namespace. C, Python first searches the local namespace, then the global namespace, and finally the built-in namespace. Option D, Python first searches the global namespace, then the local namespace, and finally the built-in namespace. Here correct option is option C. Python first searches for the local, then the global, and finally the built-in namespace. So thank you.